here. Ooh. Ooh. Juice. Vegetable soup broth.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is the Gotokuji temple or something. Home of the lucky cats. Apparently it's good luck if you buy one of these cats, and if your wish comes true you have to bring it back, and then you have to buy the next size up. That's kind of cute.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
So right now we're queuing up to buy one of these Gotokuji cats. As you can see, there's a sign that says only one per person right there. Number 5?
Five. Thank you.
So I managed to get the number 5 size. I wanted the number 7 size, which is bigger, but it was sold out. So we had to make do with this one. Oh, that's cute. So we bought the same one. So besides from the Gotokuji cat thingies, there's also a part where you could come over and wash your hands with some special water. You have these little tags here. So these tags here, you can write down like a wish or like a little note, and then you can hang it on here. So I guess if you hang it on here, it might come true. So there's quite a lot, as you can see.
Yeah, but it's, yeah. Yeah, just
Just parked our car in an underground garage, which is quite a good experience. So we're gonna go and find a place to eat, and then we will go Mario Go-Karting on the streets. So we drove from the Disney Sea Hotel to the city centre now. Thank you to my girlfriend who drove very well. Luckily. So yeah, we're just gonna have to find a place to eat, and then I'll update you guys after we head to the Mario Kart. Sushi Cafe. So we've decided to go and eat ramen, but we need to walk there. It takes around 4 minutes. So it's going to be our first ramen dish or ramen meal since coming to Japan. It was horrible. We went to Disney KFC for the first 2 days, and then it was just pizza and chips all the time. Pizza and chips, pizza and chips. It didn't feel like we were in Japan. Beep, 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 beep. Downstairs. Upstairs. First floor. First floor. Look. Hey, hello. Hi. Yes, here. The chicken. Soup ginger. Yeah, I have 2. So just press this one. Wait, you need to pay first, right?
A few moments later.
Tickets, coins.
Your intellect is as weak as your dollar. You are made of stupid.
Chicken. Well, yeah, kind of.
On your left is the gearbox.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Like jungle gym. Don't step on the red part. There. Jungle gym.
Slide back.
Sorry?
Slide back.
Slide back. Okay, you're gonna help.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Yeah, okay.
もう前エンジンかけ出していいっすよね。
あ、もう前エンジンかけていいです。
Right.
So right now we are leaving Shinjuku Station and walking to National Garden just to see the cherry blossoms. Got very lucky after our Mario Kart session, which was really fun. I would highly recommend it. I also went to see a little quick shop, little Pokemon shop. Picked up 2 boxes of Pokemon cards, which is really cheap compared to Hong Kong. So I'll probably just keep both of them sealed or just open one pack. So we're going to rush off to see the Sakura blossoms and then we're going to find a place to eat. Thank you. So now we have arrived at the national, national park. Took us around 8 minutes to walk from Shinjuku Station. Not too bad. So hopefully we can see a lot of cherry blossoms. 9 to half 5. So we have to buy tickets as well. It's like 500 yen? 500 yen a ticket. Oh, use these machines. So we can pay using these machines.
Please select the payment method. Please put in cash. I'm just issuing tickets.
Funny thing is, oh wait, there's a lot of, it's over there. No. So far, we walked for 8 minutes and there's no cherry blossom. Oh, there's one tree, I'll show you. Just this one tree. So we came all the way just for this one tree that has cherry blossoms. And everyone's surrounding the one tree. Okay. I'll show you the actual park. There's only one tree that has the cherry blossom. Ready, watch this. This one out of this whole park. Just one. Just sent the drone up to get a few drone aerial shots. Haven't used it in quite a while. See how it turns out. Need to practice how to use it again. But I'm not sure about the drone regulations in Japan, so I'm not going to be flying it around too much. Probably like 5 minutes and see how it turns out. See you in a bit. Shinjuku Station. Right now we're heading back to Shibuya for some sushi. So right now we're walking to the sushi restaurant, trying to get our sushi fix, because the one that we ate by Disneyland or Disney Sea, it wasn't that great. I know Tokyo is really famous for its sushi and everything, but I think Heidi ate one and it was like really fishy, so we don't think it's that fresh. But hopefully the one that we're going to now would be better. But how Japanese this car looks. It just screams Japanese. This was the sushi place. That big piece of tuna. Holy moly. Wow, scallop. There's the squid, scallop, salmon, red prawn, and more red prawn. Do you know what this is? Salmon roe and sea urchin. Sweet shrimp and fried shrimp roll. Raw squid. I don't know what's happening. How fresh was your sushi? Sushi was good. It was better than the one at Disney. I highly recommend it. And also there was a guy who was like holding a big bit of fish walking around the kitchen area. So that was pretty weird. I don't know what was going on there, but it's quite funny. It was an experience. It was a good experience. So yeah, just gonna start to head home. Gonna find our car in the car park, and then I think we're gonna rest early today because slightly tired, a bit tired. So we decided to walk back to the Shibuya. We could get a train, but we thought we've eaten dinner, might as well walk it off a little bit. I think it's this way. So we decided to walk back, I think around 18 minutes. Walking around in Japan at night feels quite safe compared to other cities, especially London. So yeah. Yes, so we're back into the city centre. I think like 10 minutes away from the actual car, so nearly there. Yo, look at this. If you like little capsules, all these capsule machines. Holy crap! Oh my gosh! Check out all these capsule machines, man. Yo, you could literally spend a whole day in here. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Yo. Let's see what's up.
Thank